was literally on my way to dance and the car just like stopped working. Like right now my dad is having to get his car around our van because it's just not working. And like I had my auditions in TAP today and it was only like one day. So like my teacher specifically said that if you miss it, you can't like make up the audition. And I obviously know that like my car not starting is like a whole different issue. Yo, what is happening? But like I don't want to seem bratty or anything, but I'm just like really worried. Like I have 3 hours of dance tonight, my class already started and I'm just not gonna get there. The class started at 5:30 and it's currently 5:39. So basically the battery died and they're gonna try and like replace it or something, I don't know. Oh my gosh, what is happening? That's my dad's car. I don't know, I hope it gets fixed soon. I'll update you guys later, bye.